Now that we looked at some of the things to prepare for the climb, what other topics on this table of contents do you think we should warn this future climber about?
Well, I think we should give them advice about the Sherpas. Because
Yes.
they could give all your stuff to the llamas and bring them up the mountain.
Yeah, so can you write that down? Llamas and Sherpas?
Llamas and Sherpas. All right.
Because you're going to need some help because they can't do it on their own. And they have to use the Sherpas, as it says here, to help them with the high altitude regions. All right, what else besides Sherpas? That was on page 14. Going down the list, what else should we tell them about?
Mount Everest. We should talk about Mount Everest.
Yeah, because we're giving them some advice to get to Mount Everest. Maybe the dangers of Mount Everest.
Yeah. But I think we should do the Mount Everest part, so on page 5.
Right, what do you think is on page 5?
Just how it talks about how Mount Everest is near the Indies and the second
Near India?
India, and the second highest mountain in the world is K2.
So do you think they need to know about the second highest mountain if they're climbing Mount Everest?
No.
They might need to know where it is so they know where their plane ticket should be.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know if we necessarily need to talk about the second highest mountain. But let's look back to the dangers, and what page is that on?
Page 21.
Okay, so let's go to page 21. And what dangers does it say here? Maybe we can look at the words in bold. Or we can look back to our glossary words. Do you remember this one?
Acclimate.
Acclimate. Good job. So maybe we should tell them that they need to acclimate themselves. What does acclimate mean again?
Acclimate means that you need to adjust your body to the low altitude,
Or the high altitude?
high altitude, and because that's also where the Sherpas help you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so can you write acclimate down? And what happens if you don't acclimate? Maybe we can warn them of some dangers if you don't acclimate yourself.
If you don't acclimate yourself, you get nausea, and also you get headaches, confusion, loss of muscle, and also you start imagining things and stuff.
Yeah, like hallucinations. Good
Yeah,
job.
kind of like in Looney Tunes how they did Kmart.
Yeah. How you see stuff that's not really there. That would be something you need to warn them about because if they see something
Yeah.
and they get scared, they need to know that it might actually not be there. That's good that you use this right from the text. Let's see.